Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Candy Crush Saga. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Candy Crush Saga and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.